Hi, it's Kevin from Group Mariana, developer of Playa Mariana in Nicaragua, 8 kilometers south of Masachapa, and that's where I am right now. In the last video, I was showing you the view from the ocean looking out, but how about in this video, I give you a 360 of the area where I'm standing right now at 12:10 on January 27th here in Masachapa, an amazing fishing village town that's growing and to become the next great tourist destination for people to come and see. That is Masachapa right here in Nicaragua, 8 kilometers south of Playa Mariana. And now we're heading to Cochimil. We got a big day ahead of us. So when you're following these videos, you're watching because you like what you see. 2, you may be interested in purchasing real estate, either as your first purchase international, or you're seeking some sort of plan B. But pay attention, because on February 19th, we're going to be launching our real estate at Playa Mariana, which you're going to see very shortly. Beachfront residences, additional home sites on the beach. And here in Nicaragua, the country is developing at an amazing pace. In fact, when you look back at some of the other videos or posts all across social media, there was a huge, important article just released and published in the LA Times. And when you see the posting or the links, look for the links in the description somewhere. Go check it out, go read it. They did an amazing job to describe the economic powerhouse that Nicaragua is and the tourism opportunities across the country and the real estate opportunities. And yes, Playa Mariana was featured as well. So that's my shameless plug. Go read it because we're in there. They talked to us, we were interviewed to get our take on things. And I gave them my opinion of what it is and what I believe in the country. And you're not gonna wanna miss out on that. So that's Masachapa. Let's go off to the next stop.